Hey folks, my name is Gareth Soloway and I'm one of the 2 chief market strategists here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I wanted to welcome you all to the Options Alert service. This is an elite membership where investors of all ages and wealth gather to make money through options. Let me explain exactly how this works. My partner and I buy and sell options. As soon as we enter or exit a position, we alert members. Not only do we post the information to the Options Alerts page, but we send a text and email alert as well. These alerts are posted and time-stamped, so we make sure everyone knows exactly what we're doing as we do it live. These alerts include every detail you need to know, like entry price, options contract, expiration, strike price, targets, and stops. Essentially, you are following us as we swing trade options. While options have the profit potential to earn you amazing gains, they are also extremely risky. Please be aware that as chief market strategists, we are only putting a very small percentage of our portfolio in each play. This is a classic risk management tool and something every pro investor does. Just ask Warren Buffett. We strongly recommend you do the same with each options play only being 1 to 3% of your entire portfolio. By following us, we believe you will be able to trade options and profit consistently like the best in the world. Join us and start trading options today.